Welcome back. If you use Telegram a lot on your phone, there's a simple setting that can save time and make sure your photos, videos, and other media start downloading automatically whenever you're on mobile data. So if you want Telegram to handle media downloads for you, without waiting around, this updated guide will show you exactly how to turn it on in just a few taps. First, open Telegram on your mobile device, then tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your phone, you may see the three-line menu, or you might need to tap your profile icon instead. From there, go into Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all the important options for your account, privacy, notifications, and data usage. Next, scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. This section controls how Telegram behaves when you're connected to Wi-Fi, mobile data, or roaming. Now look for the option labeled When Using Mobile Data under Automatic Media Download. Turn it on so Telegram can automatically download media whenever you're using mobile data. Once that setting is enabled, Telegram will be able to download the media types you've allowed without you having to tap each file one by one. That means faster access to your messages, images, and videos, especially when you're away from Wi-Fi. If you want, you can also review which file types are allowed in this section, so you stay in control of your data usage. That way, you get the convenience of automatic downloads without using more mobile data than you want. And that's it. A quick setting change, and Telegram is now ready to download media automatically on mobile data. If this helped, make sure to check your other Telegram settings too, because there are a lot of useful options hidden inside the app that can improve how you use it every day.